Today we're doing another Sabbath prep video. Y'all know we're about to get into the cleaning, prepping. I don't know what all is going to be involved in this vlog. However, y'all will get a day in the life. I'm about to just jump right into it. I'm about to do my oral care, skincare. Y'all been wanting the deets on the skincare, so I'm going to show y'all what my typical morning routine is. I have a few routines, but I'm gonna show y'all my typical morning routine. I have shown it on some past videos, but I'm gonna give y'all another update. And then I'm gonna link the products down below. Make sure you guys are checking out my Amazon storefront because you're gonna see a lot of the products and things that I use in my home listed there. So if you have any questions, check there first. If you don't see it, then come back to the comment section and say, hey sis, where's this product at? Or whatever you want to say. So let's get right into it. I do have some new products I want to show you guys today. Feel free to shop any of the links. They are all affiliate links. So that means I earn a portion of the sales. I'm going to be doing a lot more of those, especially during the springtime. There's a lot of sales going on. So I really want to put you guys on, let you all get an idea of some products. Without further ado, let's get right into it. So excited to share. I'm a Bubble ambassador. So you may already know, but Bubble is at many local retail stores like CVS, Target, Walmart, you name it. They are all over, or you can search them directly. But they just sent me this welcome gift. It comes with some cute little stickers. This is so cute. I'm gonna share it with the kids. And then some step-by-step. But we are gonna go ahead and give this toner a try. So you know I usually like to exfoliate with this after I wash my face. However, since we have our new Bubble toner, we're gonna go ahead and give this a try today. Very cute packaging. I love all their little packages. They even have like the inside out characters. It's so cute. So let's go ahead and try it. Oh my goodness, I love the applicator. Look how cute that applicator is. So you just push it. Oh, that is so cute. So I'm gonna put it on a cotton pad like I usually do. Just do 2 pumps. Get it all off. Good. It almost smells like rose, like a rose product, but like a fresh rose. Very soothing because my face was just drying out from cleansing it. Only because in the winter time my face is a little more on the drier side, but still I have combination skin, so it's typically in between dry and oily. But in the summer months it's usually a lot more oily, and then in the winter months it's a little more dry. So but this feels so good. My face feels moisturized. It's a toner, very soothing. So far so good. I'm gonna let this air dry and then we're gonna go in with our moisturizer. I can't wait to get more of my Bubble products. So if you see them in your store, check them out. I'm gonna drop a link down below. Feel free to shop it, but so far this is good. I'm gonna continue sharing with you guys since I'm now an ambassador. I'm so excited. It's always nice trying to work with brands to be recognized and be able to help spread awareness for their brand. So super excited. But let's keep going. I have so much cleaning to get done. And y'all know we're in the era of Passover prep as well. So I'm trying to get ahead of that. And y'all know how I do. I put on a nice comfortable outfit, a head wrap so I can listen to my music, my righteous music, and I get things done. So join me. Let's get this prepping done together. Okay, I still use my e.l.f. Happy Hydration Cream for my moisturizer. I usually try to use up a product before I start doing a whole bunch of other products. So I'm really excited to just use this up. I have been really loving this. I got it off of Amazon. It should be linked in my storefront. But I'm really excited to try new products. I'm just not one of those product junkies that like to just have products sitting there. So I really try to use it so I can give my best feedback on it. And this always does me well, okay? You see how moisturized my skin looks? It's just so hydrating. But that is all I'm going to do since I'm cleaning. Y'all know how I be. I'm gonna do any makeup and stuff. I'll put on a little gloss. I'm gonna use the Lifter Gloss by Maybelline since it's right here. It's a little tinted, so it's kind of cute. Very natural. But I'm gonna start in my bedroom and get my bathroom situated. Let's go. Ooh, na, 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 na. Ooh, na, 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 na. Ooh, na, 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 na. 50 calories. Ooh, na, 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 na. Ooh, na, 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 na. Yeah. Ooh, na, 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 na. It's that time on the mark. Everybody better turn up. See the man them cause they put my cellular. Tell them I just hold on. So bright you can hide up. So bright you like that just kinda like garment fresh, let me try a thing. Chains on my neck and I ain't idling. When the peaks they come around, new movie, new beach, shut it up. Either they trumpet, big cry louder. Either they trumpet, cry louder. When new feet they come around, new feet, they be come around. New feet, I been shut it down. New feet, I just shut it down. New more let they shut it down. Oh, like I know. Oh, shallow, with your name up. New moon, let they shut it down. Oh, like I know. Oh, shallow, with your name up. Do this, cause them outside said so. Don't what they hate them, and they're spiritually dead, bro. I know you have a lot for your mind, but project, you have to let go. We beautiful in nation, Lego. Meditate on the Lord, up on me mind. Lost it to me like Velcro. 10 times harder, yeah, on my 10 toes. If I not yet you got me lonely. Gathering the nation slowly. Love me keeping the law, say holy. Like who the side of they wanna know we, oh. Couldn't care about a trophy. Like, no, say you know the Lord holds me. Let me there upon the mission. Babylon let me sun. Everything gon' be sun. A birthday that can't celebrate that. No way, I'm be stupid and local. So I'm my pride like a undo. Like super minded, that's the motto. Top G in a real life, dig it to the G code. Root out in the building, we know. Prophesy gangs evil, yeah we evil. I know better now, so you know me can be evil. We different. See them but they ain't listening. Babylon burning and sizzling. See them but they don't know, no. See them but they don't know, no. Different, we different. Babylon burning and turning. Purple and gold, you know we vigilant. See them but they don't know, no. See them but they don't know, no. When the peaks they come around, new movie, new feet, shut it down. Either they trumpet, big cry louder. Either they trumpet, cry louder.